Hello, welcome to Easyflex. Thank you for joining us today. In this video, I will be introducing our commercial gas connector kit. This right here is the packaging, and these are the parts that come inside the kit. We developed this kit, obviously, so the contractor can have everything that they need when they're on a job visit. So what I'll do is I'll go over some of the features and benefits of the parts here for this kit, and we'll start off with the hose. This hose is made out of it's corrugated stainless steel. It's CSST. It's made out of 304 stainless steel, so it's flexible. And underneath this yellow layer here, we've got a stainless steel braid, and that braid actually acts as another layer of protection, and it also prevents the hose from being stretched. Okay, this yellow PVC coating right here, PVC itself has antimicrobial properties, so it helps prevent bacterial growth. And the kitchen is probably not a place where we want to have bacteria growth. These ends right here, these connectors are 360 rotational, so they move independently of the hose. So that's a huge benefit when it comes to installing and uninstalling this hose. And the parts, we'll start off with the quick disconnect switch. As you can see right here, as the name implies, it's so you can connect and disconnect this hose quickly. And how you do that is you pull this part down and this will pop out. And when this disconnects like this with the hose attached, it'll actually shut off the gas valve automatically. So that's not something that needs to be done manually. It will shut off the gas valve automatically when it disconnects. And to put it back in, you just pull it back and snap it just like that. Okay, so that's the disconnect, the quick disconnect. Here is our swivel, and the swivel, it moves around like this, and this actually, when it's connected to the hose, it helps the hose, it helps it from bending and kinking too much, so it kind of moves with whichever the way the appliance is moving. Okay, so this is to protect that. Here we have a standard full port valve. Here is the restraining cable. The mounts, one end goes to the movable appliance, the other to the wall, so the appliance doesn't move around all over the place. And it also helps this from becoming stretched out, with the movable appliance everywhere. So it actually prevents the hose from acting as a restraining cable. So that's that. And then these two right here are the standard 90-degree elbows. And like I mentioned earlier, this kit is perfect for contractors to just have, so they can get in and out without spending too much time on a job. That's pretty much it. Thank you for joining us.